Hi, I'm Dion with Level Up. Being a military wife, I'm looking for something affordable to use to feed my plants and garden. And FoxFarm is my choice. FoxFarm offers a lot, but today let's focus on the three-part program. Grow Big, Big Bloom, and Tiger Bloom are great for soil and cocoa grows. A combination of nitrogen, phosphate, magnesium, earthworm castings, kelp, bat guano, potash, and lots more keeps my plants happy. Cultivation Nation Grow, Micro, and Bloom are great for hydroponics and aeroponic grows. This line works great for hydroponic setups. My plants seem to respond instantly. All these products are very affordable and available in store and online at levelupgardensupply.com. And always remember, money doesn't grow on trees. That is a lie. Level Up Seed and Garden Supply.